Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are showing you the Vengeance RGB Pro. Now this is 32 gigabytes and we got 2 by 16 gigabytes in here. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is what they look like. Let's go ahead and install them. Hey guys, the RAM cards are in. I do need to optimize the RAM card and move this RAM to the next slot. I'll do that when I restart the PC, but it's in, and I gotta tell you, my camera cannot pick up how beautiful it really is. The colors, you can't see the color changing as nice on the camera. Off camera, it's stunning, it's beautiful, and it gets a 5-star rating. I love them. What's up? So just giving an update on the RAM cards. So as you can see, we added 2 more, so we got a total of 4, and now you can fully customize those RAM cards. So you can download a program from I think it's called iCUE, and you can actually change. I could turn them off, I can make them raindrops, I can do all kinds of special effects with it, and I love it. Amazing.